This video/stream is sponsored by tradercentral.com. Trader Central provides funding for traders and spot cryptocurrency exchange services and access to trading tools like copy trade software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusive for communicating with your trader friends. Sign up using the link in the description and get up to 30% off your first plan. Get started now. What's happening? Yeah, we're starting our day, taking it easy here. Charts in front of us, obviously we are looking to capitalize on US100 and as well US30, but we'll see what the market is telling us. Obviously we're not market makers, we just have to respond to what the market is telling us. So yep, but as well I want to show you guys yesterday's trade, how it did go with it and how we actually went forward with it. So yeah, that's also something that I'm looking forward into showing you. Okay guys, so we're taking it easy now. On our first entry, we're already in right here, stop loss super minimum, but we're looking on taking 5 times whatever that we're risking currently, which is a good trade at the end, because if you are able to risk 1 to gain 5, then I believe that you are profitable. So yeah, that's what we're looking at now on Nasdaq, but I'll keep you guys updated. Okay, so what I'm actually looking for is price currently to just close above this area that we've got here. Once it closes above here, then maybe I can like lock maximum profits, because so far I like how the risk is very small pips, and yeah, we're able to scale in a bit more with this position. You can simply see right here, and yeah, we're just going up, and once we do happen to close above here, that's when we can easily just like continue to just break even, and then we'll continue with the management of this beautiful trade. But I'm happy so far. Just have to manage it so it doesn't go against us or anything. So but yeah, okay, so the first position for the day took us out, so it was coming well. We're actually making over 1% somewhere here, but price decided to just like reject and then come a bit down. So maybe it could want to give us a third touch, first touch, second touch, third touch, but we'll just have to wait and see. So one thing that I like is that this one, the risk was managed nicely, and yeah, I'll update you guys with more setups that I will see and take possibly. Okay guys, so a quick update on US100. We're to scale in, look for better entries. Like I did say, the first one did take us out, but now you can see a price broke out and then came back to retest. So at this area is where we actually got our buys, and we just took buys. So obviously on a 1 minute time frame, it helps us be able to scale in terms of minimizing our profits, our stop losses, and then maximizing our rewards. As you can see, risk reward on this is 1:4, which is a great trade, and only if price happens to just push up, break above here, and then continue going all the way to the upside, on which it can happen. Just have to see. So but yeah, I'm excited so far. Okay guys, can simply see right here, obviously this did take us out right here with this movement here. So we had 2 takeouts, but we actually did manage to catch one last re-entry, because normally I'd go for 2 types of re-entry, but yeah, this is the last one, because I've got this first touch, second touch, this being my third touches here, and stop loss luckily it's minimum. So I just went on re-entry, and this is the last trade for the day. I'll just hopefully manage it well and see where it takes us. But yeah, so far it's moving well, and yeah, it's happening guys. Fortunately we caught this move right here. Stop loss, we kept it super minimum right here, and boom, on the 5 minutes time frame it shot a bit more up. So what I done now is that I locked profits, and I think I'm okay, I'm done. So yeah, it'll just be a trade that plays out by itself, and for me trading today, I'm actually done guys. So I'm excited. So you guys did see me literally trade the New York session. So obviously today wasn't as profitable as other days, because yesterday we did manage to capitalize. And yeah, so one thing that I actually did take down from today's session was the most important thing, which is being able to re-enter at the right time and the right plans that you've actually made. So let's say now, for instance, you are trading a specific currency index or pay, and you're looking into scaling it. Like let's say now you're gonna buy at 1350. That's the level that you're gonna be buying at, and then it gets there, and then you manage to buy, and then it plays around, and then maybe it takes you out. It happens that it does take you out. Okay, so now you're negative 1%. Let's say if you did risk 1%. So the only time I am able to go into trades is if I still look at what cash done to me. Your cash, sorry about that. But yeah, so on my side, like if I am still able to, like, let's say for instance, like capitalize, let's say I lost -1%, and then I still believe that this trade is still going to be going to that specific direction that I did that specific direction that I did say that we're going to. And obviously without revenge trading, because most people would do what we call revenge trading, and they'll try to come back again and go in with fuller lots, and do all those things just so they can bring back their money, on which normally doesn't work that way. That's how you end up losing more money. You should accept the defeat and then take that new trade as a new trade. Like let's say if you're looking at it going back up to the upside again, then take it as a new trade, the risk 1% again. Don't use bigger lots, because now you're hoping that if it goes in your direction, you're gonna make a lot of money because of you lost money. Don't be having that mindset. And just like that, that's how you actually build into consistency, and that's how you actually build into being profitable. Because at the end, we can make profits, but can we keep those profits? That's the question that we're asking ourselves. But yeah, I wanted you guys to see me trade the New York session, learn from it, and just see what it is that, like, how I manage my trades and stuff. And I think now I'll just show you guys also the yesterday's trade. So now what I'll do is that I'll show you guys yesterday's trade, how we managed to have caught over thousands of parents. And yeah, let's get straight to it. Okay, currently this is what's happening. We've been taken out here, right here, because that's where I had locked my stop losses at, just below here. So before this shut down, I got it deactivated, and then yeah, price is now moving, you can see. But I'm excited so far. It's been a good day. It's a negative day for me today, so I'll just lay low. And let me just show you guys yesterday's trade, which was a beautiful one. That one actually is the one that's making me relax now, because yeah, we actually did make some profits from it. And yeah, so I'm using them to still push till this day. But let's say now, for instance, here we took our first sell here because we believed it's gonna retrace here, but it shot up, and I was like, yo. And then fortunately here, just by looking at, because I removed the structure that we had, here was already a resistance area. You can see from the previous year where the resistance, it came back here. So I was like, you know what, this is highly gonna test and it will go down. But we had to wait for a confirmation. So you can see this undecided candle happened, and as soon as this undecided candle happened, I put my sell stop just below my stop loss, just above, and then boom, it shut down, it activated, and then it went all the way down. I think I took profits when price was somewhere around here. This is when we took profits, because I think here was when the news were gonna come, so we were scared that the news were gonna mess us up. But we took profits somewhere around these areas, and then price went up, went down, and still he take profit, which was a total of 7%. So imagine 7% move yesterday. Even if I did take 1% plus 7%, I'm up by 6%. And so far today, let's say I lost 1%, so I'm down by 4. I'm on 4%. And then this move went a bit up. This was supposed to be a 4% move, but so far I closed maybe around 1%, which is around 1.5. So it means that we are still up by 5% at the end. So that's one thing that I want us to be looking at. That's the main focus. But yeah, you guys did manage to obviously observe it, how I look at the markets, how I actually go into analyzing minute by minute, 5 minute by 5 minute, depending on the time frame that I'm looking at. But yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video. Make sure that you like and subscribe. And yeah, for now, let me just lay low and continue pushing the charts.